Hey everyone, in this NordVPN tutorial, I'll show you how to stream safely, avoid throttling, and keep your connection private. NordVPN is one of the fastest VPNs for streaming, and if you want to try it, you can use the link in the description to get 74% off plus 3 extra months. So, do you actually need a VPN for streaming? Yes, you do. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, which means snoopers and even your internet provider can't see what you're watching. It can also help prevent bandwidth throttling, which is the slowdown some people experience while streaming. NordVPN offers several benefits for streaming. You can access your home content while traveling, stream with fewer interruptions, stay secure on public Wi-Fi, and watch live sports more safely. If you've ever noticed buffering that only happens at certain times of day, your ISP may be throttling your connection. A VPN can help when slowdowns are caused by traffic-based throttling. However, if you're hitting data caps or dealing with general peak time congestion, a VPN can't fully fix that. Here's how to stream safely with NordVPN. First, download and install NordVPN on your device. Open the app and connect to a fast server, or simply click Secure My Connection and let the app choose the best option for you. Once you're connected, open your streaming app and start watching. As long as you have an active subscription to the streaming service, you're good to go. NordVPN stands out as a streaming VPN because it delivers fast speeds, offers over 8,000 servers worldwide, includes smart play technology that works automatically, and has no bandwidth limits. You can also protect up to 10 devices at the same time. If you stream through your browser, NordVPN's browser extensions provide quick protection with minimal setup. And just a quick reminder, NordVPN should not be used to bypass copyright rules. Always use official streaming platforms. That's the complete guide to using NordVPN for safe streaming. If you'd like to try it, feel free to use the link in the description for 74% off plus 3 bonus months.